Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Impresa C6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up and pretty much we did clean everything inside of this machine, including the cosmetically we cleaned. We removed the brew unit of the machine, which is located behind this water tank, and we just clean it, replace the O-ring of this wall, and just clean the shower screen. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna do cappuccino. We don't have milk, we have a milk substitute over here, but we will still be able to see how the machine froths. Infusion right there. Good water flow coming out of the machine. Two ounces, which is perfect. Now we'll do a cappuccino. We have to fill the beans first. Okay, now that I fill out the beans, we'll increase it to 20 seconds to test it properly. Let's make it 25, since it's a big cup. As you can see, water flow comes with the steamer, working perfectly fine, making good foam. Siphoning properly. Good flow from the cappuccino side, and as you can see, starting to turn on the color of the coffee. Working perfectly. No leaks or anything like that. And now for this one, the hot water, I forgot to... There you go. And that's it. We tested everything on this machine. And as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to